channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, notification bell, share, like, tell a friend. Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you steamed curry fish with two different kind of curry. I'm going to use a little bit of Thai curry and a little bit of Jamaican curry. But you know, if you don't have the Thai curry, you can go with the Jamaican curry. So let's do it. So my ingredients here right now, I got the curry in here, salt and pepper, and a little bit of oil because I'm going to marinate the fish inside of that, okay? Curry right here, Blue Mountain, this is Jamaican curry, Blue Mountain country, I don't know where that is, but we figure it out. And here I got this Thai curry, okay? Red Thai curry, we're going to put a little bit in there. Sometimes this can get spicy. This have like kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, so give it more flavor to it instead of just regular curry, okay? And we got a lemon which we're gonna squeeze it in there to kind of kill a little bit of the fishy taste out of the fish, all right? We have habanero right here. We got some allspice seeds. We got carrot. We got thyme. We got onion, peppers. And never forget we have okras, okay? We always got okras. So let's get into it. I'm gonna season up this fish in here. And you guys can watch and see what we do. This is my coconut milk. It's going with coconut milk as well too, okay? So this is my coconut milk right here. Coconut milk. Alright, so I'm gonna put all of this in here. I got gloves on because the curry is stainy. So you want to make sure you put gloves on to season this. And I got my fish right here, trying to drain as much water off it. I already washed it, clean it with a little bit of lemon juice on it as well. So we're gonna try to see what we can do. Alright? Try not to mess up the place because this curry is stainy as well. I'm gonna make sure we get some inside as well too. So for the Thai curry now, I'm gonna cook that, kind of burn that off with the veggie. Okay? Normally season up this fish 15-20 minutes, you can let it sit in the seasoning. You know, with this. No rush, no pressure, you know. If you know you're going to cook this, you need to start a little bit earlier than normal. So you can get the seasoning in there. Some people really don't season their curry. They just put it on, burn the curry, and let it come up. Like what you see I did the chicken the last time. Yeah, you could do it like that as well. But because this is going to be steamed, I'm making sure I get curry on all of the fish. Because, you know, you want to make sure you get the taste. Get some of the curry in between everything as well, so tastes good, you know. Yep, like that. In between, tastes good. So alright, I'm gonna let this sit 15-20 minutes just to sit steak, because I'm gonna still add a little bit of curry in the oil to burn it as well. Let's get some on that too. Everything gotta get curry, you know. Make sure everything is curry up. So when we come back, we're gonna start sweating the vegetable off. 15-20 minutes time. Alright, that's that for now. Sit for 15-20 minutes. You can do half an hour if you want. You can do 2 hours if you want as well. Alright? Right. So we're gonna sweat off the vegetable right now with a little bit of curry in this as well. And we're gonna add this as well for starters as well, okay? Because when you cook this, it releases all the flavor out of it from early. You don't want to wait till later. This can be very spicy as well, but the flavor is great, like so good, because it got a lot of stuff in there. Got langa, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, you know, I said ginger, garlic, name it, and it's in here. A lot of spice. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this burn a bit. With the red curry, you don't want it burned too much as well. So you're gonna start toss the whole place down. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the vegetable in here. Let's not use all the spice running away. Cook up the veggies, you know? I'll cook them halfway, and then the rest gonna cook while you're steaming it down. A bit more grease. Grapeseed oil, okay? This oil. And while it's finished, when it's gonna close to finish, I'm gonna add some of the see that? Nice. Yeah. As I was saying, when it's close to finish, I'm gonna add some of the coconut oil in here as well. Nice. Alright, when we come back, we're gonna show you where we're gonna put the fish in and when we're gonna get all the sauce come together, alright? Alright, so veg look nice, you know. You can see the color of it change because of the curry is in there. You want to make sure you rotate it enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it in this one over here. Okay. I know I'm going to do this. You guys probably know this from, you know, when we're making steamed fish and all that. Little bit of oil. Then I'm going to put the fish in and everything going to go on top of it. Maybe too much fish for the pot, but we're going to figure it out. Some way to make it going. Move that over here, son. You gotta get a better view, man. No, it's okay. You got the right amount of fish for the right amount of pot. Okay. Perfectly inside. Alright. So, while that kind of like searing on one side, you know, I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk in here just to get rid of the rest of the flavor from here. And I'm going to pour it in. Don't forget, it's a steamed fish, it's not a sear or a fried fish. So you want to add liquid right away, okay? Try not to pour it on the fish, pour it on the side, okay? That's the coconut milk right there, alright? Doing this thing. Yep, that's how we do it. So, I'll let going right now. I'm gonna let that go for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add back the rest of the stuff to it, you know, because this is what you're looking for. The steamed fish is the finest, you know. Yep. Then we're gonna cover him down and let him do what he does. You know? Yep. We have the lemon right here. Later on, after we put that on top, we're gonna squeeze a little bit in there. You know what we do. Alright. So we come back a little bit. You guys see the finishing touch? I'm gonna show you how we do it. So after 5 minutes, you know, because the water is not so much, I flip them over. So this side was down for 5 minutes, so I flip it over to the other side, okay? So now we're gonna add back this in here, okay? Yeah, put it on top, but this is almost finished cook already, so I'm gonna give it that flavorful, you know? I want to play with the curry because the curry will mess the place up, so make sure when you do this you don't mess the place up. So that look good, so I'm going to cover it down 10 minutes, less than a medium flame, so let it do what it does. You know what I'm saying? So in 15 minutes you can have steamed fish. Is that easy? simple as well, you know. Yeah. So, all right, when we come back, we're going to show you a presentation. So this is it, yeah? Nice. Okra looking good. You know? Everything nice. Fish soft and tender. Not too mushy, you know? That's exactly the way you want to have it. Sauce, nice. You know, everything watery and looking good. So I'm going to plate up one right now. And you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Sauce right here. You eat this every other day, people got problem, you know what I'm saying? DM me if you want to know what problem I'm talking about. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so you know, finishing touch. I want to say happy birthday to Mr. Joyce, my neighbor. Good people, you know what I'm saying? So let's look into it. Don't forget, hit the notification bell, alright? You dig? Alright, let's look into it now. So simple plating up, you know. Piece of fish right there. You know, some okras, some onion, some pepper, some carrots. A little bit of salad right here, you know. Just a little bit of salad just to go off with the plate. Why having food without salad? And I got a piece of lemon right here, a piece of lemon wedge. If you like lemon, you can squeeze your lemon in your food. And some seasoned rice on it as well, you know. Look good. A lot of colors on it, you know. Look nice. You know, anything, any comment or anything, let me know. I got you. Whatever you guys need, let me know. Definitely, I'll make it happen. As in Jamaica say, yeah, me make it happen. Real talk. Hi, thanks for watching the video. We appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, tell a friend, subscribe, like, comment, share, all the above.